So, boys and girls, for today's Flashback Friday, you need to watch all of these videos just to remind yourself on what area and perimeter is and the formulas of how to find them. So, for anyone who doesn't remember, and it's fine if you don't, area is the number of unit squares that cover the space of a closed figure. So, for example, here we have what appears to be a rectangle. We can tell it's a rectangle. It has 4 right angles. We can tell that these opposite sides are equal. So, our vertical sides are equal and our horizontal sides are equal. To find the area, we do length times width equals area, and we get square units. So let's do this together. So let's say that the length, which is the longer side of this rectangle, is 7 feet. And we're going to say that the width, which is the side that's typically shorter, is 5 feet. To find the area, we do length, longer side, times width. So we're going to do length times width equals area. The length or the longer side is 7 because 7 is a bigger number. 7 feet is longer than 5 feet. So 7 feet. And we're going to multiply that by 5 feet. And when we do 7 times 5, we get 35 feet. And because it's area, it's not just 35 feet, but it's 35 square feet. And we show that by putting this little 2 up here. That tells us 35 square feet, because really what we're doing is we're counting the squares, the unit squares that cover this rectangle. So if we were to split it up by 7 here, 5 here, we would have 35 square feet. So now we've learned how to find the area by multiplying length times width equals area and getting an answer in square units. Now we're going to review perimeter. Perimeter refers to the distance around the outside of a figure. So whereas area points to the inside, the square unit's inside, perimeter is the outside. And to find it, you need to add all 4 sides. So we know that this side, this horizontal side here, is 7 feet. If this side is 7 feet, then this side is 7 feet too. So we're going to add 7 feet and 7 feet twice. So 7 plus 7, and we know it's in feet, so we'll always add those feet back in. And then we've got 2 sides that have a measure of 5 feet. So plus 5 plus 5. And again, I should be writing in feet, but I'll put that in my answer. So when I add 7 and 7, I get 14 feet. When I add 5 and 5, I get 10 feet. So my total answer is 24 feet. Now I'm not going to put in a square because I'm not splitting the outside into squares. I'm going around the distance of the outside. So if I were to walk around the outside of this figure, I would be walking 24 feet.